Eek. Did it again. Oh my god, that guy's adult. Yep, I have no idea what I'm missing. We're missing something? Oh yeah, if you don't have boobs. Honestly though, you've played the game for a long time. Don't you have anything else to do with your time? What the? I'm getting nagged. Oopsie. I made it though. Okay, LMAO. Well, it's because whenever I stretch, I go like, and then I go, and then I rub my belly. This is the first time you actually elaborate on that. I was like that. You guys don't even know. And then I rub my belly, and it's like and then I squeeze my boobs, and it's like I need a massage. Does it feel good though? Okay. Let's put the metal gear in the bag, bro.